Hello everybody. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that one of my plants got spider mites. So it happens. Spider mites could come in the house anytime. Like it could come in your produce. On my dog. My dog loves to brush on the grass and on the trees. It could have gone on her. It could have gone on me. It could have came from my shoes. It could have come from anywhere. So one of the ways that I attack naturally the spider mites is with another bug. I introduce to you my Ladybug Army. All I really do with the ladybugs is I just release them around my house. They don't do anything. They don't fly in your face like gnats do. They just hang out. The most that they'll do is just go to like the window because they're attracted to light. Other times they'll just hang around the plants because they're just looking for food, looking for an area that they know, and that's it. So I have no problem with it. Obviously, other people might have a problem with bugs flying around their house. The ladybugs are the least of my worries. Spider mites, on the other hand, tend to kill my plants. And if you're a plant person, you know plants are expensive. They become an investment. And the last thing you need is for your $80 plant to die. We don't want that. I don't want that. I think in here, I mean, it said 1,000. I'm not counting. Reality, I only need like 50. I literally just open it up and I let them on my plant. Here I have a peace lily. I don't know if it has spider mites. I don't think it does. I'd rather not risk it. Especially with a plant that is so bushy like this peace lily. I just don't want to risk it because I found the spider mite on one main plant, but then I found it on like 5 others. Not as infested as the main plant that I found, which was my calathea medallion. That one I may have to get rid of. So let me tell you about the culprit, the plant that brought up all of the spider mites, all because I didn't pay attention to it for 1 week. I'm sitting on my couch and I see like the calathea just doing bad, which I finally got how to grow the calatheas, because if you know about calathea medallions, they're picky as hell. Next thing you know, one of the leaves has yellow edges and you're wondering why. I was doing really good. And then all of a sudden it started going bad. I'm like, why? And then I look at it. Spider mites, like a lot of spider mites. I'm so mad, so mad. If you follow me on Instagram, you know how mad I was. You know how when some women get mad and they decide to chop off all their hair? So I decided to chop off the entire plant. And as angry as I was, I didn't chop off the entire plant because of how angry I was, even though it felt good. I did it because it was so infected that at some point it wasn't even worth saving the leaves. It was really bad. And then this one was sitting close to this calathea. And this one wasn't as bad as the medallion. It was actually pretty good, but it was more on the infected side. The two have been in quarantine in my bathroom. I did find other plants that were infected, and I rinsed off the leaves with water. I sprayed neem oil on them a few times already. I just want to make sure, quadruple check, that there's no spider mites on my plant. So anytime I have spider mites, I just go all out. Bugs and all, neem oil and all. I go all out. Enough chat. Ooh. Hello. Freedom! Freedom! Any ones that I don't use, I'll just let them go out. I'll go to the park and I'll just like drop them off in the garden. The gardens will probably take advantage of them. And they'll probably love that. So I guess the ones that I don't use would be the lucky ones. Other ones that I do use, they may not survive. It's the sacrifice I'm willing to make. But they will eat. And that's all I want them to do. Get off of the top. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I want you to get into the peace lily. Do your thing. There's a whole bunch at the bottom of this jar. I'm just trying to get them out of the jar. They'll get on there eventually. They'll also get on your curtain, but it's close to the window, so that's why. But yeah, they're harmless. One of the other plants was infected a lot. Get on the leaf. Get on the leaf, boo. Get on the leaf. Come forth, my army of ladybugs, and attack the evil spider mites. The evil spider mites that complicate the lives of the plant people. You see some ladybugs? Put them back on the plant, okay? She's like totally disinterested. Alrighty, so that's the latest project that I'm doing right now. My insect control, this is one of the ways to do it. If you want to go organic, Go with what's natural, and what's more natural than killing an insect with what eats the insect. Because I don't eat spider mites, but ladybugs do. Like and subscribe if you like this video. I do have another bug project that I'm working on right now, and that'll be shared shortly after this one. Something new that I have never done, but I've been wanting to do it for a while now. Hopefully it goes well. Take care, guys. Bye.